In this video, we'll show you how to set up rapid fire. On the Machenike-G3V2 controller, it lets you enable rapid fire on any key, which is called the turbo function. First, press the T button in the middle. Then press the key you want to set for rapid fire. That will activate rapid fire mode immediately. For example, when you press TA, you need to hold down to get the rapid fire effect. This is called manual rapid fire. While rapid firing, the home button will flash in sync with the rapid fire speed. Okay. If you press T+A again, it will keep firing automatically without holding it down. This is called automatic rapid fire. To turn off rapid fire, just press T+A once more. Then the rapid fire stops and the home button stops flashing. So basically, there are three modes cycling: off, manual, rapid fire, and automatic rapid fire. Let me demonstrate again. Press T+A for manual rapid fire. Hold it down to rapid fire. The home button flashes accordingly. Press T+A again. The button keeps firing on its own, and the home button keeps flashing. Press T+A once more to turn off rapid fire. This works for buttons like B, Y, X, R, T, L, T, L, B, R, B, and even the D-pad buttons support rapid fire. That's how you use the rapid fire function.